Steve Bannon, the former White House strategist and Breitbart editor, who is seen by many as the architect of Trump's 2016 campaign, has condemned the president's decision to hold off on imposing tariffs in China. Well, he spoke to our writer, Stephanie Baker, in Prague this morning about how he would handle the trade situation.
The best thing to do with China is a confrontation, and not a confrontation where you're trying to go to war with them. They're already at trade war with us, but a confrontation to tell them we're firm in these beliefs. We're not going to let you steal our innovation. We're not going to just let you sit there and basically rape Silicon Valley. It's not going to happen.
Now, of course, we also asked Bannon about the investigation by special counsel Robert Mueller.
I didn't see anything in those lines of questioning that were going to be that problematic. I mean, some may be a little bit more than others. I thought it was fairly straightforward, and I think those things can be answered in writing. I would strongly advocate that unless it's absolutely necessary, the president should not sit down and be interviewed.
Well, for more, let's get over to Prague and our senior writer, Stephanie Baker, who conducted that great interview. Stephanie, first of all, who listens to Steve Bannon? Does the president listen to Steve Bannon? Does the president's base listen to him?
That's a really good question. I pressed him on that. Who is he in touch with in the administration? Is he in touch with Rudy Giuliani, Trump's new lawyer? He wouldn't say directly. He said he doesn't want to comment on who he's in touch with in the Trump administration. But it's clear he's pushing for Trump to take a tough position, both on China in terms of the trade war, to press ahead with that trade war, to press ahead with tariffs, and with special counsel Robert Mueller, where he advocated that Trump didn't need to sit down for an interview with Robert Mueller, that it was unnecessary, that he could answer those questions in writing.
Stephanie, you've been following the Trump administration from the very beginning. What did you learn in this interview?
Well, look, I learned that, obviously there are divisions within Trump's inner circle, and Bannon is a prime example of that. He's from the hard line in the administration. He criticized Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin for agreeing to hold off on these tariffs, saying that China, that we're already in an economic warfare with China. They're not backing down, so we shouldn't back down either. On the Mueller investigation, I think he indicated that he thought Giuliani was doing a good job, that he should press ahead with that. I think that it shows that Trump may be taking a tougher line, I think, with the idea of sitting down with special counsel Robert Mueller for an interview, and that we may be in for a long haul, Francine.